Are you ready to explore the most breathtaking destination in America? Welcome to the Grand Canyon National Park. Discover the awe-inspiring beauty of grandiose landscapes and panoramic views. Unleash your adventurous spirit with hiking trails and whitewater rafting. Witness the mesmerizing hues of the canyon walls as the sun sets, painting the sky with warm, golden tones. Explore the rich history of Native American tribes and early explorers who once called this place home. With endless activities, captivating views, and a touch of history, the Grand Canyon is truly a must-visit place in America. Don't miss out on this unforgettable experience. This one is one to put on your bucket list.